you're going to end up getting dark and wasting your money, because you're just going to ruin whatever results you've gotten from the product so fast. Next question. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's all about QEI lotion right here. I remember that I recommended to a good number of my subscribers based on a video I uploaded about a year ago. In that video, I reviewed about 10 lightening lotions that give beautiful results when used on the skin. The lotions I reviewed in that video are a bit pricey, they're a bit expensive, but they are very good. QI lotion is a lotion that I have used before and I tend to recommend to people because of my first-hand experience. It's a lotion that gives beautiful results. It doesn't bleach the skin. QEI products are made with plant extracts, plant active ingredients that gives you a glowing, lighter and flawless complexion. QEI Paris Plus has 8 variants. We have the Active Harmony Reparature, which is made with carrot oil. We have the Efficacy Extreme, which is the shea butter. We have the Performance Multi-Action, which is made with sweet almond oil. We have the Oriental, which is made with argan oil. We have the Oro Innovature, which is made with plant extracts. We have the Indian, which is made with green tea and orchids. We have the Privilege, which is made with pearl cover. And we have the Extreme Shine, which is made with carrot and it is also referred to as the gold body lotion. So today I'll be answering frequently asked questions about QEI. So the first question is what is the color of QEI lotion? The color of QEI lotion is white. If you buy a QEI lotion, you notice it's yellow, it is brown, it is milkish, or it's fake, please. QEI lotion is white. The color of the lotion is white. Then the next question, how do I use this lotion to get good results? I've said this countless number of times. If you want to get good results from using your skincare products, you have to exfoliate, take off dead skin cells from the surface of your skin so that products can be able to penetrate and produce better results. You have to use your lotion 2 times a day, morning and night. And you also have to use a sunscreen. Protect yourself from the sun, because if you are using a product and you go under the sun without protection, you are going to get dark. You are going to end up getting dark and wasting your money. So once you use a product and you are expecting to get a particular result from the product and you go in the sun, you are just ruining the results you've gotten from the product so fast. Next question, does QEI change color when exposed to air? It is normal for skincare products to change color when exposed to air, but QEI is one product that doesn't change color when exposed to air. But that does not mean that you should expose it to air, because products tend to lose its potency, its efficiency when it's exposed to air. They made the product with a cover. Okay, so you're not supposed to leave it open. The fact that it doesn't change color doesn't mean that air doesn't affect the product, because when products get exposed to air, it's either gets contaminated or it loses its potency. So please, when you're done using your products, always cover it up. Which of the QEI lotion is good for dark skin? The one with shea butter. This QEI lotion is good for if you are dark skinned and you want to use QEI lotion, go for the one with shea butter. Does QEI contain hydroquinone? QEI does not contain hydroquinone. This is one lotion that I know that doesn't contain hydroquinone. QEI does not contain hydroquinone. Does QEI lotion whiten the skin? QEI is not a skin bleaching cream. They have 8 variants, so it depends on the results you're trying to achieve from using their products. So QEI lotion will only give you a glowing skin, about a shade or 2 lighter than your normal complexion, but it will not whiten your skin, it will not bleach you. So you're going to end up disappointed if you buy QEI and you're expecting it to bleach or make you white. My sister, the QEI will not bleach you. It will only take you about a shade or 2. That is if you use the one that lightens, but it will not bleach your skin, it will not whiten you. Okay, And you should not even be thinking of whitening your skin, please. Thank you. Can QE lotion be used on the face? QE lotion can be used on both face and body, but I personally do not advise you use a lotion meant for your body on your face, especially if it is a skin lightening lotion. If it's a moisturizer, fine, you can use it on your face and body, but when it comes to skin brightening, skin lightening, I do not advise you use the same lotion on your body for your face. Get I've said this before in one of my videos. Get a good face cream that complements your body cream. Don't use your body cream, your body lotion on your face. Can I use QEI on my kids? I think I'm going to dedicate a video, yes, a full video to this topic. Why would you want to lighten your kids' skin? Like, why? Like, it doesn't make sense. Let kids be kids. Don't these kids are not even grown up. Let them decide what they want to do when they've come of age, when they are now adults. I hear some people use lightening products on kids, and I'm like, has it gotten this bad? There are a lot of skincare products out there for kids. Okay, there are a lot of skincare products out there for babies. And so I don't see why a mother or an auntie or a guardian will pick up a skin lightening product to use on a baby, on a kid, on a child. Like, it's wrong on all fours. Please do not, under any circumstance, use lightening products on your child, on your niece, on your nephews. Please, I beg of you, please. You are going to end up damaging their skin. Right now, they cannot decide for themselves, so all you need to do is make the best decision on their behalf, which is using what is safe for them. Will QEI lotion lighten me? QEI lotion will lighten you, but not more than a shade or two. Does QEI lotion give stretch marks? Most lotions that give stretch marks are usually lotions that contains steroid, that contains harsh chemicals. QEI lotion is not one of those. QEI lotion does not give stretch marks in any way. It doesn't, unless you get the fake. If you get the original QEI lotion, it doesn't give stretch mark. I need a cream that does not bleach but will brighten my skin. Will QEI brighten my skin? Yes, QEI will brighten your skin, and it doesn't bleach, so you're on the right track. It doesn't bleach. It will definitely brighten your skin, but it doesn't bleach. Where do I get the original QEI from? You can get from Amazon, eBay, or any trusted cosmetic store. There's a possibility that you might get fake from these places I just mentioned. So if you want to play safe, I would advise you get it from QEI website itself. That is the only place I know you're not going to get fake. That is the best advice I can give you concerning where to get original QEI lotion from, because trust me, the fake is everywhere. Like, the fake is even in circulation more than the original. If you want to get original QEI lotion, please go to their website. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Please subscribe to my channel. If you find this video helpful, share with your friends and your families, and God bless.